Hey, what is up everybody? It's the Joe Tree. In this video we're going to be looking at the Nike Dunk High Spartan Green, the resale, and a review. And if you're new to this channel, hit subscribe so that you are updated on men's fashion, lifestyle, and sneakers. Alright, let's get into the video. So the first part of the video will be the resale predictions, whether or not you should buy the shoe, hold it, or sell it. And the second part will be the review and a closer look at the Nike Dunk High Spartan Green. Alright, so the resale. It looks like on StockX that the numbers are around $246. I'm not expecting anything over $600, especially for a simple colorway like the Spartan Green. And as you will see in the screenshots, these are the sizes that look to be doing the best. The size 4 is selling for around $350. Typically, smaller sizes tend to do well. Some of the bigger sizes, on the other hand, are selling for the same price as well. So if you have a 7.5, $245 on StockX. Size 10 is going for $246. So across all sizes, the shoe look like it's going for $246. I would say this is a hold because we are still in a pandemic and people are just, holding on to the moolah and waiting until everything is perfectly fine to go outside to show off the new sneakers, the outfits, and so forth. And another reason I believe that the shoe is gonna go up in price and you should hold is that there haven't been a lot of Dunk Highs recently in 2020. And one example I would give you is the Paul Rodriguez, and that one's going for $228. And the other shoes that are released in 2020, the Slam Jam White Pure Platinums, and I don't know if that was released in the US. And the most recent one that has dropped in sneaker shops was the Atlas SB Dunk High, and that one right now is going for like $1,000. And some sizes are going for like $600. Having the Nike Dunk High Spartan Green in your collection will definitely increase in value over time, and I would expect it to be like around $300, maybe hitting $400 at the peak. It is a good time to hold a shoe. One shoe that I'm surprised by the resale is the Nike Dunk High Michigan, and that one is selling for around the same price. It's going for $246, and I believe that was a better colorway, but I guess other people think otherwise. But overall, across all sizes, they're all gonna increase over time. If you are debating whether or not to buy the Dunk High Spartan Greens, I say buy them now. And if you are also looking for Jordan 1 outfits or more sneaker outfits, I'll leave my recent Jordan 1 BIOHACK outfit on the top of the screen as well. And if you enjoy the shoe, let me know down in the comment section why, or if you dislike it as well. Alright, so this is the review part of the video, and first impressions on the shoe, I would say it is a simple, classy, and it is easy to style. It also comes with an extra pair of white laces. White laces would make the shoe pop more. I think this is a good colorway. You got the foresty green, you got the white, kind of replicates an OG. And as you can see on the laces and on the eyes of the shoe, they're pretty well crafted, it's well made. And on the toe box and at the tip, sort of a plushy leather, I would say, but it's kind of soft to the touch. I like how they use the white along the midsole, instead of a green colorway. It just adds more coherence to the shoe. And as we get to the heel, I like how they use the stitching on the back of the heel. It goes along the Nike sign, and I like how they did the little heel tab. For me, usually that's my favorite part of the shoe, I don't know why. And the sole, when you're walking, people see, checking out your shoes, they'll be catching the forest green and they'll be like, yep, that is a clean shoe. And as we get towards the lining of the shoe and the tongue is made out of a mesh material, and at first it is stiff, but I believe that as you wear them in, they become more loosened. And on the color of the shoe, as you might know, the Nike Dunk High tends to be more bulkier than a Jordan 1. Overall, the whole design of the shoe, I do enjoy the colorway. If this was a Jordan 1, I would say that prices and the resale of the shoe would just increase. Alright y'all, and if you enjoyed the resale predictions, the review on the Nike Dunk High Spartan Green Pro Green, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and remember y'all, stay jiggy, stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.